Roslyn Rosaro. So now I'm discussing mathematical induction. So what is mathematical induction? Mathematical induction is a method of proof. It is used to prove statements involving natural numbers. It shows that a statement is true for all positive integers. Mathematical induction is a step-by-step proof method. If a statement is true for one number and leads to the next, it is true for all. Similar to climbing a ladder step by step. Base case. Prove the statement is true for the first value. Inductive step. Assume it is true for n, then prove for n plus 1. If both steps are true, the statement holds for all natural numbers. And then, check if the statement is true for the smallest value, usually n is equal to 1. If the base case is false, the proof fails. This step starts the induction process. Assume that the statement is true for some natural number, which is n. This assumption is called the inductive hypothesis. It is used to prove the next step. Using the assumption for n, prove the statement for n plus 1. Show that if it is true for n, it must be true for n plus 1. This links all natural numbers together. Prove 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. Base case, check n is equal to 1. Inductive step, assume true for n, then prove for n plus 1. Helps prove formulas and patterns widely used in mathematics and computer science. Useful in solving sequences and series. So mathematical induction is a powerful proof method. It proves statements for all natural numbers. Understanding induction strengthens logical thinking. Thank you very much.